Did you know that presentation with smooth animation like mock transition are 40% more likely captivate your audience? Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the world of PowerPoint mock transition, a game changer for creating dynamic and engaging slides. Let's get started. First, select a rectangle shape and drag it across your slide. Then, add a text box and type your title. Center your content. Change the font to something bold like Impact and increase the font size. Next, select both rectangle and the text box. Go to Shape Format. Then click Align Middle from the Align option. Now, click on Merge Shape and select Subtract. This will cut out your text from the rectangle, creating a cool cutout effect. Select Color from Shape Fill. Set the shape outline to No Outline. After that, insert your background image and send it to the back. Right-click and duplicate the slide. On the second slide, select the shape and increase its size. Align it to the center and middle of the slide. Adjust the image to the fit perfectly within the cutout text. Finally, go to Transition, select Morph to see your stunning animated title slide in action. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you have created a professional animated title slide using PowerPoint Morph Transition. Now it's your turn. Try this mock transition in your next presentation and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more advanced PowerPoint tips. See you in the next video.